Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Excellency Tuki Haji Muhammad Hassan Mutawakil Allah SIMM as the Master of Zainul Hassan Islamic Boarding School, and Excellency Tuki Haji and Excellency to Dr. Abdullah Aziz Wahab BAMAG as the Rector of Islamic Zainul Hassan University, and Excellency to English study program to Dr. Zainuddin MPD, and Excellency to Mr. Ferry Ferdianto as the lecturer of Zainul Hassan Islamic University. And my name is Raihan Mubarak Ali, and today I will explain about my title in the thesis proposal in the exploring of students' experience motivation in junior high school, and about background of study and gamification as to the use of the game elements and in learning context to the motivate and the engagement learners and the torch gamification. And the process becomes more interactive and enjoyable, which can increase students participants and their confidence. Previous and the studies have also shown and that the use of the gamification in the classroom can improve students in the learning process. And much focus of this research, students' perception of gamification, how students feel about using the game's elements, like the points and badge and the leather box and in the learning process, and students' motivation in the engagement with the gamification in the increased interaction and the enjoyment and the overall classroom and experience. And two, and challenge faced by the students, difficulties or the problem students encounter when learning the truth of gamification, and impact on learning outcomes optional of the minutes, how gamification affects students understand and performance. And next, see statements of the problem and social and economic problems. And what do junior high school students and experience the use of gamification in the developing their English speaking skills, and the students' perception and the response. What are students' perception of the benefits and the challenge of using gamification for English speaking practice? And the next, any significance of the study. Theoretical the result of this research other aspects to contribute to the development of the language and teaching, particularly in the teaching of the speaking and the skill storage of the use of gamification. And practical and the result of this research are expected to be useful for English teachers of the Miftahul Jannah Junior High School in motivating students to the understand development, student speaking skills towards the use of the gamification, and the and much previous study. Previous studies have also found that the use of the gamification in teaching. English speaking is the effective by applying gamification. Students' speaking ability can improve significance in the implementation of the direct method in teaching. Speaking has been shown to be effective in the enrich students' vocabulary mastery for these reasons. And the researchers decided to apply the gamification method and the study explore students' engagements by using multiple sources and data such as interview questions and the questionnaires and the eye movement tracking and review related literature. Review related benefits activities can support the development of fluency because they encourage students to respond swiftly during the games and the chance ones. The students participants in the interactive speaking task as they tend to speak more freely and confidently as a result. Their fluency and gradually and improve through repetition and the active engagement in the learning process. And gamification tools that include audio models, repetition and the task and the intense feedback can be enhanced pronunciation practice. And the students become the more regular the sounds patterns consequently their speech becomes clear and the more comprehensible. And the research design. This research to aim to examine in the teaching of the English speaking using gamification. And for the junior high school, the using gamification for the teaching English speaking was analyzed based on how the teacher implement gamification in the classroom and how the teacher implements gamification in the classroom and how the teacher assists students achievement. This study employee qualitative case study designed to analysis of the phenomenon of teaching and the learning for speaking through and the gamification of at Miftahul Jannah Bangkal Gading Junior High School students and B persons of the researcher and data regarding the teacher were obtained through the review with the school participant and the teacher. Furthermore, the teacher were selected based on their teaching experience and national level and achievement and their publication and other things related to the reading strategies and the source of the data. The data for this researcher they were collected from the students, questionnaires, and the interview with English teacher the researcher distributes. And questionnaires, the students and the conduct interview with the English teacher in order to obtain detailed information related to the researcher. And data collection in developing the questionnaires was designed by the researcher, while the English learning the motivation questionnaires was updated from the homeroom the teacher. The first students were given the practice before the treatment was implement. 10 students were given the first test after the treatment to measure the effective of the using gamification in improving students and speaking skills. And data analysis. And data analysis refers to the process of the selecting and from the research based on the result of the study. It was found that gamification increased students' motivation to speak in the English, however. and the technical challenge, and they become the one of obstacles in the implementation of the gamification. And data analysis. Data analysis, many students who usually feel shy or afraid of making mistake become the more confident to speak because the focus shift from the being courage and to playing the enjoying the activity there. The enthusiasm comes not only from the games. Okay, okay, enough for me, and the last I can say thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.